Scene script. Have you ever wondered how much power the sun holds? Picture this, a celestial body 93 million miles away, radiating an intensity of energy that's beyond our comprehension. It's an inconceivable powerhouse, a vast furnace churning out energy at a rate that dwarfs human imagination. This energy, this power, is a lifeline. It keeps us warm, drives our climate, fuels photosynthesis, and so much more. It's the very heartbeat of our existence on Earth. Now, let's take a moment to ponder. What is the science behind this colossal power? What makes the sun such an incredible source of energy? In this video, we delve into the science behind the sun's power. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Is your curiosity piqued yet? To understand the sun's power, we need to look at its core. Picture a bustling city where everyone is constantly on the move. Now imagine that instead of people, this city is filled with hydrogen atoms, all zooming around at incredible speeds. This is what's happening in the core of the sun, where temperatures reach a mind-boggling 15 million degrees Celsius. In these extreme conditions, hydrogen atoms don't just bump into each other, they collide with so much energy that they merge. This is nuclear fusion, a process that might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down. Think of nuclear fusion like a high-stakes game of tag. Hydrogen atoms are the players darting around, trying to avoid being it. But when the game gets really intense, two it players can collide with such force that they merge, becoming a completely new player, a helium atom. This transformation isn't perfect, though. A tiny bit of the hydrogen isn't needed in the new helium atom. This leftover bit is cast off, released as a tremendous amount of energy. Imagine if every time you cleaned out your closet, you could take all the clothes you don't wear anymore and convert them into pure energy. That's essentially what the sun is doing, but with hydrogen atoms instead of old t-shirts. This whole process happens countless times every second, turning hundreds of millions of tons of hydrogen into helium, and each time energy is released. This energy is so immense that it powers the sun and gives it its warmth and light. So in essence, the sun is like a giant natural nuclear fusion reactor. It's constantly converting hydrogen into helium and releasing energy in the process. It's this energy that lights up our world, allows plants to grow, and even powers some of our technology. So the sun's power stems from a constant natural nuclear fusion happening at its core. But how does this energy reach us here on Earth? Let's embark on a journey from the sun's core to our homes and unravel this mystery. Every second, in the sun's core, about 600 million tons of hydrogen are converted into helium in a process known as nuclear fusion. This process releases an immense amount of energy in the form of gamma rays. Now, these gamma rays are extremely high-energy photons, but they don't make it to the sun's surface just yet. They're absorbed, re-emitted, and scattered by the sun's dense plasma in a journey that could take 100,000 years. Eventually, these high-energy photons make their way to the sun's surface, or photosphere, but by this time, they've lost so much energy that they are now visible light. This is the sunlight we see and feel. It's a little less intense, a little less hot, but it's just perfect for life to thrive. This sunlight then embarks on a 93 million miles journey to reach our planet Earth. This journey, mind you, takes just about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, traveling at the speed of light. It's a cosmic express delivery. This solar energy, now in the form of visible light, heats our planet, drives our weather, and supports photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into food. It's a key player in the delicate balance of life on Earth. But it doesn't stop there. We humans have learned to harness this abundant energy to power our homes, our cities, even our cars. Solar panels, for instance, convert sunlight directly into electricity, making it a clean, renewable, and sustainable source of energy. So, from the sun's core through its turbulent layers, across the vast emptiness of space, to our planet, and finally to our homes, this energy undergoes a transformation like no other. It's a journey that transcends time and space, a journey that powers life on Earth. This journey of energy, from the sun's core to our homes, illuminates our world and fuels life as we know it. The sun's power is truly astounding, isn't it? We've taken a deep dive into the heart of our solar system, the sun, and explored its immense power, a power so grand, it fuels life as we know it on our little blue planet. Let's revisit our journey. We started at the core of the sun, where a natural nuclear fusion reactor pulses with unimaginable energy. Here, hydrogen atoms collide and merge, creating helium in a process that releases vast amounts of energy. This energy, in the form of light and heat, embarks on a million-year journey from the sun's core to its surface. Then, we trace the path of this solar energy as it travels the 93 million miles from the sun to Earth. We saw how this energy sustains life, drives our weather, and can be harnessed for sustainable energy solutions. The sun, our very own star, offers us a lesson in the interconnectedness of the universe. It's a testament to the power of nature, a constant reminder of how energy flows from the cosmos to our homes. Next time you feel the sun's warmth, remember the incredible journey that energy has taken and the amazing natural reactor that produced it. The sun's power is not just illuminating our world, it's also powering our future. Imagine this, a world where our energy needs are met with 100% renewable, clean, and abundant power of the sun. It's not a fantasy, it's a possibility that we're inching closer to every day. Solar power is not just a source of energy, it's a source of hope for a sustainable future. As our understanding of this celestial powerhouse deepens, we're finding newer, more efficient ways to harness its energy, transforming it into electricity to power our homes, our industries, our world. The future of solar power is not just bright, it's dazzling. It's a future where we no longer rely on limited, polluting resources, but instead turn our faces to the sky, to the sun, the ultimate source of life and energy. The sun is not just a celestial body, it's a beacon of immense power and potential for our future.